Alright, so these two logs are from an apple tree the neighbor had that was storm damaged. I painted them light blue so I would know that they're apple. So I'm feeling I should cut these before the winter comes because they're just going to sit here and soak up water and rot. So I might as well cut them. This one has quite a bit of a bow to it, so I really can't like straighten it out and get much left. I think I'm just going to clean up a little bit on the bows, skim the top and just cut like maybe couple 1 inch, couple 1.5 inches, and then I could use those somewhere. And this one, man, you waste so much of it squaring up, but this also might be rotten too, so maybe a couple of cuts there will just say we're just going to straighten it all out anyways. Be nice to get a little bit more out of this meaty section here. Yeah, we'll see. All right, I think we're going to try to get that and that off a little bit just to get the major bow out of it, clean up this knot here, and we'll see what we go from there. I'm going to set you up over here so we can see all the good things happening. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 1-inch boards and 1.5 inch boards. That's pretty nice. I don't know how they're good for, if they're good for shelves. I'll have to take a look, but maybe we can use some of that for my son's shelves. I don't know. All right, well, we got the other board we should probably cut up because it's just going to sit there and rot all winter. Okay, we got her up there. I think we're gonna try to cut it straight across. This butt end is gonna lose some, but based on where I had to put the clamps, I think most of this butt end is pretty lightweight, as in punky. So I think we're gonna try to get a cut across the top, and then we'll see where we go. see how we get. We got 2-inch boards, 2 1-inch boards, I should say. They look pretty. These are 1.5 inch thick boards. 1, 2, 3, 4, I think. That's just some scraps on the top. But this bottom section's all full of rot. So I don't know. Might be for some trail armoring. I don't think we're gonna get any quality lumber out of that for shelf building or anything. All right, well, we got to clean up. I have a spot for the sawdust on the trail. So some of the trail armoring, I've noticed that the sawdust really helps to hold the wood chips in place. So we're gonna clean this up. All right, so I took out that one, and you can see how the pieces are kind of, some are busted up. I think this one's no good. This end one seems like it's still in pretty good shape. Might reuse that one. All right, so we have to work on that.